I want to talk about the right ways of using artificial intelligence in your business.
The future of computing, though, and what we've seen as science fiction with artificial intelligence, programming, is really now. And I started exploring some stuff that I've never dove into before, and now I'm kind of stoked and excited about the fact that I'm learning this now. I'm diving into a lot of this. I have a lot of stuff swirling in my head right now that I don't know really how to explain what I'm thinking. A concept could be constructed down and taking the best parts of 10, 15, 100 concepts to develop a better solution. Artificial intelligence would take hundreds, even thousands of those videos and develop an ultimate A and B process that is better to improve, that then could actually teach based on the knowledge that multiple human beings have. And then you would actually program the AI of what's right and what's wrong. You would sort of have supervised versus unsupervised, stuff like that.